Time flew really fast indeed. I still vividly remember how I started in MDSF. I started as an intern in 2016. I got hired in 2017 as a full-time teacher teaching the 6th graders. Siyempre, hindi po kumpleto ang kwento ng mga 5-year awardees pagka hindi kinuwento yung mahirap pa sa board exam na battery ng Sagrada. Siya nga pong tunay. When I get hired here, one of my friends asked me, "Really, you get hired in MDSF? Sino backer mo?" And then, I thought, is it an insult or a compliment? But then, when you look on the positive side, I feel proud of myself because this is MDSF and I'm a member. I become a member of the faculty. I felt really proud of myself because this is MDSF and I made it. That's what I said to myself. Because of this institution, I will be able to do the things that I was not doing before, like coaching the Bulprisa. I know that I'm not the one who's gonna play, but then handling 24 students with my co-teacher. I made it because of MDSF. It is an opportunity and this school really brings out the best in me. Until on my 3rd year, I become the member of the academic council, which is really quite overwhelming because, like what I have said, I really didn't know what to do. And it is an opportunity, it is a privilege to serve the children and the institution. I want to thank the member of the board for trusting me. I also want to take this opportunity to thank Sir Dan. Maraming salamat po sa mga mentoring sessions po natin. Dahil po sa inyo, lubos kong naintindihan ang mga processes kung paano ginagawa ang observation of classes. Huwag po kayong magsasawa. Maraming salamat po, Sir. For another 5 years, go for it. When asked by Teacher Joby and Sir Jomar, buti di ko pa naiisip mag-public and I said, masarap naman po sa Sagrada. The candle is still burning. Just like in the movie Encanto. Though in my 5 years of stay, it's not all smooth sailing, but then nothing is hurting the magic yet. And yes, Teacher Joby and Sir Jomar, I will keep the candle burning, G, for another 5 years. This is Teacher Donna Verdillo and this is my MDSF My Happy Workplace story.